To use Kruskal's algorithm to make a minimum spanning tree. How it works is you start just basically with the smallest weight first, okay? Um, so consider the following graph. The edge AH has a weight x, so it's a variable. We don't know what that weight is. Given that the minimum spanning tree has weight equal to 14, find the value of x. And they ask us specifically to use Kruskal's algorithm to try to find that minimum weight. So here's how the algorithm works. You just look through the graph, find the edge that has a minimum weight, and I'm looking at from H to B. That's the smallest weight that's on the graph. So HB is going to be an edge using Kruskal's algorithm. And then other edges, now look, there's two, there's two, there's two, there's three twos, and so we can just select them at random. Okay, we could start with E to G. We could make that connection over here. So notice I'm not directly connecting because we're just starting with the smallest first. E to G, that's 2. To go, you could pick H to D next or D to F next. I'm just going to pick D to F. And then let's connect H to D. And you can see it's just kind of like working in reverse. We're eventually going to fill up this graph with a minimum spanning tree. Keep going for the next edge. We need 3s are next. So we got D to E and F to E. Let's see. Don't think it's not going to matter either way. D to E is a 3, or you could have done FD. Since they're both the same, you're still going to get the same weight for the graph. And now these two parts are connected to the rest of the graph. There's an edge that lets us get from one to the other. And so it looks like now we have G, E, F, D, H, and B are all, it's possible to get from one to the other in our graph. So we're almost done our minimum spanning tree. Now we just need to figure out what this X is. Okay, so we got a weight of 2 already on the graph, a weight of 3, a weight of 2, a weight of 2, a weight of 1, and then there's this X, and then they told us the minimum weight is 14. So just a quick little equation to solve. 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. So you can see that X is going to be 4. So that the weight of the minimum spanning tree adds up to be 14.